Okay, we're back. So we got the snackies while we're waiting on our ramen because I'm gonna cook that later for dinner. And I also got something off camera because my phone was about to die. And then I got this Giovanni. Yogurt. Okay, this is Giovanni yogurt drink. And so we're gonna try some stuff. Okay, firstly, we have to open it. It says, enjoy the game. Is there supposed to be a game? It's in here. Alright. Who is this koala? You can see identity at the bottom of the box. I have no clue. It says to go to the bottom of the box. So we have to peel this or something. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open it. It's gonna be... Okay. Why is it have like this weird... Why does it have like this weird taste? It's like... I have no clue how to describe it. It's like chocolatey, but then I taste something else. It's like so weird. I know, right, Minnie? Okay. Next, we have the Giovanni yogurt. Let's go. This is the peach one, so hoping it tastes good because I've never tried this one. Smell? Yeah, smell weird. No. Very artificial. Taste the artificial peach flavor, right? Maybe? Yeah. Let me see if it actually has peaches. Stop! Peach puree. Interesting. Huh? Interesting. Okay. No water in it, bro. Okay, there's a peach puree, but I just taste the artificial flavor. Girl, stop. Okay. I mean, that's very disturbing. Would you not? Stop. Okay, I'm taking it. Would you not? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna give this a rating. Like, oh, I'm gonna give this rating, like this drink, a 7.3 out of 10. Just bumped her head. Okay, we're gonna wait till dinner time to taste test the ramen. And I also got something else off camera. Because my phone was about to die, I couldn't record anything else. I got like a dessert for at the end. Yep. So we're gonna also taste that. Minnie! Wait, I can really wear these.